Hi guys, welcome back to Sohan Science. Today we're going to be learning about viruses. First of all, what is a virus? A virus is a type of pathogen, and you can learn about pathogens by clicking here. Viruses are really small in comparison to other pathogens. They range from 20 nanometers to 500 nanometers. Viruses aren't classified as living things, as they require a host cell to aid replication. Depending on the type of virus, these hosts can vary, from plants to insects to humans. The shapes and sizes of viruses vary a lot, but they all have one thing in common: the fact that they have some kind of genetic material, whether that is DNA or RNA. Usually, viruses have a protein coat called a capsid, which protects the genetic material. There are two ways in which viruses replicate. The first way is called a lytic cycle. In the lytic cycle, the virus either binds itself to one of the host cell's receptors or enters the cell completely. The cell, in most cases, does not notice this. Both of these lead to the host cell using its own resources to aid the virus's replication. Once many replications of the virus are made, the host cell ruptures, meaning its membrane has been punctured or damaged, and without a cell membrane, a cell cannot survive, so it dies. The replications of the viruses then go on to infect other cells, and this destruction is the cause of viral disease. Moving on, the next way is called the Lysogenic Cycle. In the Lysogenic Cycle, the virus injects its genetic material into the host cell, but this time the genetic material stays hidden with the host cell's genetic material. So when the host cell reproduces, it not only replicates its own genetic material, but also the genetic material of the virus. This may not seem dangerous to start, but if any one of the host cell's replications get triggered to go back into the lytic cycle, it can be really dangerous. Many replications of the virus are produced, and this causes a lot of damage. Some of the triggers that cause the cell to go into the lytic cycle could be starvation or exposure to a harmful toxin. Either way, we need to know that viruses do not cause disease on purpose. It is the fact that they destroy cells in the process of their replication that causes viral disease. Unfortunately, most viral diseases are untreatable by antibiotics, so you can't use antibiotics to help you like you would with a bacterial infection, but you can treat the symptoms. This is because, like we said earlier, viruses replicate inside cells, so the antibiotic medicine would need to destroy the cell in order to get to the viruses. Therefore, using antibiotics to help against a viral infection causes more damage than it does help. One of the only ways that we can stop a viral infection is through using our own body's immune system. By taking vaccinations, we can prevent a viral infection from taking place in the future. That's it for this video. Please do like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.